How to use cinnamon to treat heartburn and bloating. Cinnamon is packed with many helpful antioxidants such as eugenol that benefit people suffering from digestive problems, including stomach upset. These antioxidants and other chemical compounds present in cinnamon can also help in reducing the symptoms of stomach upset like heartburn and bloating. Cinnamon can be used for this purpose by adding it to boiled water as tea, or by adding a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to your meal. You can also take it in capsule form. Please ensure you follow the recommended dosage on the capsule case. The most effective way to use cinnamon for heartburn remedy. There are different ways one can use cinnamon. For individuals with GERD or acid reflux resulting in heartburn, it is more potent to take it after meals. Below are ways you can take it. Take a warm cup of tea that help with heartburn relief such as chamomile tea, cardamom tea or even milk with a teaspoonful of cinnamon and honey after meal. You can also incorporate cinnamon in any kind of food, not simply tea alone, to relieve symptoms of heartburn, including cold symptoms. There are other methods for utilizing cinnamon to accomplish its digestive advantages. The method of utilizing the herb relies on the person, his taste and the nature of its illness. Sprinkle it on a toast or add it to spread or cream cheddar. It also runs down extremely well with different prepared natural products, for example, fruits, peaches, and in addition fruit juices and organic product juices to stop heartburn. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below for more research-based home remedies and natural health tips. Follow us on Facebook at Natural Herb Cures and Twitter at Natural Herb Cure.